Okay, I'm rolling now.
These are
Oh, there's more in here.
another set of elevators at Hilton.
These are nice.
Ooh, you know what else? We've got some glass elevators.
Oh,
Let's switch.
let's
Alright.
do that.
Okay. I did not see those there.
Oh, what a surprise.
All right. Call it. I think these may be on different controllers. It
I'm
looks
going
like.
to look at this lobby really quick.
Okay.
Our atrium.
Whoa, we're really high.
Yep. We're 14 stories up.
2 stories up.
Oh, these are gonna be really fast. Oh, look, there's a pool elevator too that way.
Oh, you saw another elevator?
No, look, pool elevator.
Okay, we'll check that out.
After these, yeah.
Yes.
Here we go down.
Oh, I've got to send this one back down.
Oh wait, this has Lexin.
No way.
Here, this has Lexin.
Oh, awesome.
Okay.
Wow, what a piece of beauty. I like that a lot.
Guys, we found an original. Love those buttons.
Yes. See if it's got classic leveling. Well, it had a little bit of it. Press 14.
Let's see.
There's closed door closed.
All right, let's send this one and get a glass one.
All right.